Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off or enable or disable the always on feature on your iPhone 15 Pro Max, which is a new feature. As you can see here, by default, it doesn't completely go black. You can go ahead and turn on and off this feature by going into your setting on your iPhone and then going to display and brightness, and then scrolling down where it says always on display. If I tap on it, by default it is on. Now it is on, it does consume a little bit more battery, and it says it right here, the display will turn off automatically to save battery when not in use, right? So in order to really maximize your battery, it's something you might want to turn off by clicking on that toggle. If I lock it, as you can see here, it goes completely black. And then if I ever wanted to turn it back on, click on that toggle and then you'll see it turn back on just like that. So that's the way to turn on and off the always on display on your iPhone 15 Pro Max. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.